Setting one price for every country could be killing your sales before you even start. Here's how IPRoyal's ISP Proxies can help you get real local insights so you can charge the right prices. How do you find out what people around the world really pay for a product or service without running into geo-restrictions? You use ISP Proxies. These proxies are fast and have higher trust scores than data center proxies, preventing sites from flagging your activity as suspicious or showing incorrect prices. And unlike residential proxies which use rotating IPs, IPRoyal's ISP proxies have static IPs. That gives you the stability you need to check prices across sites without interruptions or blocks. Now let me show you how to use ISP proxies to see real local pricing around the world. To demonstrate, we'll compare YouTube Premium prices in the US, Switzerland, and Turkey. First, let's place an order. We'll open the IPRoyal ISP Proxy dashboard and click the Create a New Order button to purchase proxies from Switzerland and Turkey. Since we're already in the US, we don't need a US proxy to see the prices for this location. Let's choose the one-day plan, which is great for quick tests like this. We'll select Switzerland as the proxy location and click the Continue button. We'll pay using our balance, but you can choose the payment method you prefer and then click the Complete Order button. Let's go back to the ISP Proxy dashboard and repeat the same steps, this time selecting Turkey as your location. Let's set up the proxies. Once we find the Switzerland proxy order in our dashboard, we'll click the three dots and select Details. This takes us to the Proxy Details page where we can copy our Switzerland proxy credentials in the host, port, username, password format. Now, let's open the IPRoyal Proxy Manager extension to make our proxy management easier. We'll click the Add Proxy button, then we'll select Manual Proxy here because we already have the proxy credentials. We'll name this profile Switzerland and paste our proxy credentials in the hostname field. The extension will automatically fill the remaining fields. We'll then click Save and our Switzerland profile is ready. Now we'll repeat the same process for our ISP proxies from Turkey. We'll find our order in the IPRoyal ISP Proxy dashboard and go to the Proxy Details page to copy our Turkey proxy credentials. Then we'll add them to the IPRoyal Proxy Manager extension to create another profile named Turkey. So now we have two proxy profiles ready to use and switch between as needed. With that settled, let's do some price testing. We'll use an incognito window just to make sure our browsing history, website cookies, and other data doesn't impact the results. We'll open a new browser tab and visit the YouTube Premium page directly. Since we're not using a proxy yet, we're seeing the US prices for individual, family, and student plans. We'll use these as our baseline when comparing the different prices a bit later. Now let's connect to the Switzerland proxy in the IPRoyal Proxy Manager. We'll refresh the page to load the pricing for that location. Now we see the prices in Swiss francs, which we'll convert later. Now let's switch to our Turkey proxy. We'll refresh again, and now we're seeing the local pricing for Turkey in their own currency. Alright, we've seen the different prices of YouTube Premium for the US, Switzerland, and Turkey. Now, let's convert everything into US dollars so we can actually compare them. Keep in mind that we'll use the US pricing as the baseline. The individual plan in Switzerland is over 60% more expensive, while the same plan in Turkey is about 86% cheaper than in the US. The family plan, Switzerland has around 85% higher pricing than in the US, while Turkey is roughly 83% lower. And the student plan jumps up nearly 87% in Switzerland and drops to just over $1 in Turkey, which is 84% lower than the US price for this plan. Now, what do these price differences really mean and how can you use them for your own global pricing? First, purchasing power parity, PPP. YouTube adjusts its prices to match local spending power. That's why a $1.90 subscription in Turkey feels similar to $13.99 in the US. If they charged full US prices everywhere, almost nobody in lower income regions would subscribe. So by accessing real local prices through ISP proxies, you can use PPP to avoid losing entire markets just because your pricing doesn't match what people can realistically afford. Next, localized price ceiling. The US price, $13.99, is basically YouTube's maximum revenue target or the localized price ceiling. The Turkey price, about $1.90, shows the minimum they need to compete or the floor for market sizing. This range helps you predict where you'll get higher margins like Switzerland and where you need lower prices to compete like Turkey. This is essential for forecasting revenue and planning global growth. And market willingness to pay. We saw that YouTube has already done the research to determine exactly how much people in each country are willing to pay. By monitoring their prices or your competitors, you're basically tapping into their pricing strategy. This gives you a real benchmark for your own product so you don't have to guess when entering new markets, which will drastically increase your chances of success. And that's how much you can learn just by checking real local prices. This is just one example of what you can do with ISP proxies, but you can take it much further. You can automate the price monitoring process with your own code, schedule regular checks, get price change alerts, and scale your research across hundreds of markets. If you need reliable ISP proxies for your setup, talk to our team at IPRoyal. We'll help you build a proxy infrastructure that delivers clean, fast, and accurate data straight from your target sources.